This video walks you through how to use images in HubSpot content. Begin in HubSpot and open the content editor for the asset you want to update. Go to More, then Content, and choose the website page, landing page, or blog post you want to edit. Once the editor opens, move to the area of the page where the image should appear or where an existing image is already placed. Select the image module in the page editor. This opens the content settings for that module, where you can control which image is used and how it displays. Make sure the correct module is selected before you continue, especially if the page contains more than one image. In the content settings, click the image preview. This opens the image selection area. From here, you can search for an image that is already in your files or choose Upload to add a new image from your computer. If you are using an existing asset, search by file name or browse until you find the one you want. If you are adding a new file, wait a moment for the upload to finish before selecting it. Once you find the image you want to use, select it. HubSpot adds that image to the module you chose in the content editor. At this point, you should see the image appear in the selected area of your page or post. Next, locate the alt text field and enter a clear description of the image. This text helps with accessibility and also supports search visibility. Keep the description specific to what the image shows so it reflects the content accurately. After that, adjust the image settings as needed. You can change the size, set a maximum width, and choose the image loading behavior. If the image should send visitors somewhere when clicked, add a link in the link field. These settings depend on how the image should appear within the layout, so review each one in relation to the page design. When the image and its settings are in place, check the page preview. Look at the image placement, size, and overall appearance to confirm it displays correctly. If anything looks off, return to the module settings and make the necessary adjustments before moving on. When you are satisfied with the result, save your changes or publish the page, depending on whether you are updating a draft or a live piece of content. Saving keeps the new image in your editor, and publishing applies the updated image to the live HubSpot page or post. Your image is now added to your HubSpot content and updated with the selected settings.